Hello friends, today I have taken very good stock for you that will give you very good returns in coming days. Yes, all of my friends, that stock is Sangamo Therapeutic and stock. Friends, SGO stock now closed at 86 cents USD level on July 26, 2024. Friends, if you want, you can invest now on SGO stock and you can earn good profit in coming days. Friend, Sangamo Therapeutics and company market cap is 179.275 million. Friend, Sangamo Therapeutics Incorporated, a clinical stage genomic medicine company, focuses on translating science into medicines that transform the lives of patients and families afflicted with serious diseases in the United States. The company's clinical stage product candidates are S920, a gene therapy product candidate which is in phase 1 half clinical study for the treatment of Fabry disease, TX200, a chimeric antigen receptor engineered regulatory T-cell CAR trick therapy product candidate that is in phase 1 half clinical study for the prevention of immune-mediated rejection and HLA-2 mismatched kidney transplantation, SB525, a gene therapy product candidate which is in phase 3 clinical trial for the treatment of moderately severe to severe hemophilia A. BIV003 is ink finger nucleus gene edited cell therapy product candidate that is in pitch 1 half pre-season 1 clinical study for the treatment of CLE cell diseases. Preclinical development products focus on CAR Treg cell therapies for autoimmune disorders and genome engineering for neurological diseases. Sangamo Therapeutics Incorporated has collaborative and strategic partnerships with Biogena Incorporated, Kite Pharma Incorporated, Pfizer Incorporated, Soapi SAA, Novartis Institutes for Biomedical Research Incorporated, Shire International GmbH, Agrosciences LLC, Sigma Aldrich Corporation, Genentech Incorporated, Open Monoclonal Technology Incorporated, and California Institute for Generative Medicine. The company was formerly known as Sangamo Biosciences Inc. and changed its name to Sangamo Therapeutics Incorporated in January 2017. Sangamo Therapeutics Incorporated was incorporated in 1995 and is headquartered in Richmond, California. Friends, Sangamo Therapeutics Incorporated, company related to healthcare sector and it's working on biotechnology industry. Friends, number of employees working on this company is above 405 and the company is headquartered located on Richmond, California, United States. Friends, you can clearly see on the chart of SGO stock the higher price was made on September 8, 2000. Price was $44.25. No stock available in a very cheap rat, and here is very big opportunity for investment on SGO stock because from here bounce back chart pattern appearing now. Yes, all of my friends, in SGO stock bounce back chart pattern began now, and after few days SGO stock can give a very huge sharp up move rally from this level, so alls after 1 or 2 years stock can be traded at $USI can take opposers. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now because I will make new good stock video for you that will give you more good returns in coming days. So all of my friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel now. Friends, thanks for the watching. Stock News Sager.